You guys remember this? I saw it when I brought my son to the pediatrician. What was it? Last week before last? I don't remember. But sometime in December, we went to the doctor, right? And I saw this in the window of the gift shop, and I walked in. It had that little tag. I think it was like $9.99 or something. Yeah, I showed you. I did take some footage of it, but I never talked about the bags. So this looks like something you throw on and just drop your little cell phone in. It has a little pocket in the back. And then I think it's really the strap that got me. See that strap? Oh my, it's just giving, it's giving like Hello Winter. It's giving Hello Winter. Hello Winter Walk. You know what I'm saying? I likes. And it was $9.99. I likes a lot. Thank you. Thanks so much. Have a good day.
You too.
That was UPS. I got the box. Now I gotta get the box inside. The whole family is inside. Thinking of a master plan. Thinking of a master plan. That's what basement doors are for. Hey. Oh, I don't feel like hiding my purchase. Nah, I'm a big girl. I mean, I wasn't supposed to be really buying any bags, but anyways, I'm a big girl. We walking right into the house with this box. Damn it. And you really will, one day.
On Kwanzaa? Will I finally see